In this video, I will show you how to make professional resume in Microsoft Word like this with 5 simple steps from the very beginning. Plus, I will provide some customization tips as well as some professional resume writing tips which will help you to build your own resume. So sit tight, subscribe and enjoy the tutorial. I don't want to waste your time. Here is the summary of 5 simple steps. 1. Page customization, which is very important. Number 2. Add text box and removing background. Number 3. Add box and customization. Number 4. Add icon or pics and customization. Number 5. Professional resume writings, which is the main thing. First, open Microsoft Word. For page customization, go to layout, select margin, select custom margin, customize the margin level to 0 like I am doing it. Select size, select A4 size, and whenever you want to print this, make sure you'll select A4 option. Plus, whenever you want to send this resume, after completing it, export the version as PDF and then send it so that the format will not change. You can do this pressing enter or smooth clicking in this resume. And go to design, change the page color to this so that you can clearly see the white icon or the white text. Step 3. Add a text box. Go to insert, select shape, select text box, draw a text box, right click, select fill color, select no fill color, select outline, select no outline. Step 3. Add box. Go to insert, select shape, select this shape, draw the shape, customize the shape like I am doing it. Select another shape, draw it, customize it like I am doing it. Right click, select fill color, select white color, select outline with no outline. Right click, select fill color, select more fill colors, select standard, select this color and select OK. Right click, select outline with no outline. Copy paste it, customize the box again, adjust it. Step 4. Go to next page, select insert, go to picture, select all the icon and picture required for this resume. You can get this icon from internet. Now customize the icon with same size. For this resume, I am selecting this size. Customize it like I am doing it. Now customize the profile picture. Go to crop, select crop it like I am doing it. Again crop it with shape. This time select this shape, make some adjustment. Select border, select this color, select border again, select weight, select this size or this size according to your preference. Now moving this icon isn't easy or picture. To do this or easy transportation, select right click, warp text and in front of text. In this way you can easily transport the picture or the icon. Do this for all these icons. Now drag the picture. You can customize it more if you want, like I am doing it, according to your preference. Adjust the position here. Now the 5th steps. Writing resume in a professional way. First add your name, first and last name. Make it bold. You can give some twist like I am doing it. You can add profession name. Adjust the position here. Copy paste the text box. Now it's time to add some contact information. Add mobile number that is available in business hour or office hour. Change the color to white color, make it bold, select 12 option here, font size, customize it, adjust position with keyboard, increase the size. Now copy paste it 4 more times, select box, drag it here, slightly change this position here, same for this, copy paste the box 4 more times. You can use keyboard to adjust position, you can do this too. Now you can add address, your city and country, or specific street location and the city location. Add email address that is aligned with your name Add a professional email address. Since the font size is too big, let's decrease the size in here. Add your LinkedIn. If you have a professional LinkedIn, add it and you can link it with your URL link. Add website. If you have a portfolio website or the portfolio link, you can add it here too. Copy paste this section. Now add job experience section here. Whenever you add job experience, mention 5 things: job title, the duration, company name, location, and the job description. Make it bold so that you can clearly see that. Increase the size to 20. You can bold this section too. Write job description following 3 things: what you do, how you do, and what is the impact you bring. Check these.
In his resume you see in this statement, you will find that too. What he does: led the design and development of multiple enterprise-level microservice applications of Commerce Experience Group. How he does: using the latest technologies of Azure, CHash, Net, Cosmos DB, Azure Functions, Key Vault, and MS Graph. What is the impact? Driving $35.3 billion of revenue every year. Obviously, it's exaggerated. If he does that, he will not do job. But he is working in a team procedure which let that result. It's okay as long as you don't lie.
Adjust the point here and use action verbs, hard and soft skill to describe the method you're using to do your work, and use result-oriented metrics, the impact you bring to your company. Now copy paste this section again, paste it here, paste again and again. You can add project work in this section. Let's change the bullet point like this. Let's add training section here. Add education section. When you add education, mention 4 things: degree name, your graduation year or session, university name or institute, location, CGPA. You can skip it if you have many years of job experience. For fresher, you should consider it to add. You can change the position like education section in here, training section in here, according to your need. Copy paste the text box in here, drag it. Time to add skill section in here. Go to insert, select shape, select this shape, draw it, customize it like I am doing it, remove outline color. Now add text, skill name, change the color so that you can clearly see this. Make it bold, increase size. Copy paste it, adjust the position here, copy paste another section in here, copy paste here, make the alignment, select all these, adjust position, align it to left. Now you can add course section in here, paste in here using another text box, add certification in here using another text box, or you can copy paste it from here, add language here, drag it more, copy paste this section, add certification in here. You can change the bullet point using this, adjust position, copy paste this again, add language name here and change the bullet icon, keep some space in here, copy the box in here, copy this box, copy paste,